is romantic is what they say. Falling in and out of love just like a play. Memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. What do you say? Don't know what to do whenever you want. You don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special way. Be beside me all the time, all the time. I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, but here I am, struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What do you say?